Hello students, good morning. I am Mrs. Kavita Modi. Today we are going to continue chapter 3, multiples and factors. In this chapter our topic is even numbers and odd numbers. Let's start with even numbers. Even numbers are those numbers which are multiples of 2 or any number that can be exactly divided by 2 is an even number. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and dash 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 are even numbers. Remember, in even numbers, one's digit is always 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 and the smallest even number is 2. The next is odd numbers. Odd numbers are those numbers which are not multiples of 2 or any number that cannot be exactly divided by 2 is an odd number. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 are odd numbers. Remember, in odd numbers, one's digit or last digit is always 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 and the smallest odd number is 1. Let us solve some questions. Question number 1. Encircle the even numbers. And the numbers are 4, 7, 8, 12, 19, 28, 56 and 77. And we know that in even numbers, one's digit or last digit is always 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So pause the video and encircle all the even numbers and check the answer are 4, 8, 12, 28 and 56. Question number 2. Encircle the odd numbers and the numbers are 76, 49, 3, 19, 24, 57 and 69. And we know that in odd numbers one's digit is 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. So pause the video and encircle all the odd numbers and check the answer are 49, 3, 19 and 57. Question number 3. Write any 5 odd multiples of 3. Multiples means tables. So multiples of 3 is equal to 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, then 18, 21, 24, 27, 30 and so on. Now you have to identify 5 odd multiples of 3. So what we have to do? Yes, cut all the even numbers. Because in odd number, one's digit is 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. So any 5 odd multiples of 3 are 3, 9, 15, 21 and 27. The next is fill in the blanks. Question number 1. 75 is an dash number, even or odd? See, in 75, the last digit is 5 and 5 is an odd number. So 75 is an odd number. Question number 2. 178 is an dash number, even or odd? See the last digit. In 178, the last digit is 8 and 8 is an even number. So the answer is yes, even number. The next is question number 3. 1082 is an dash number, even or odd? See, in 1082, the last digit is 2. So what we have to write? Yes, 1082 is an even number. Question number 4. 1493 is an dash number, even or odd? In 1493, the last digit is 3 and 3 is an odd number. So what we have to write? Yes, 1493 is an odd number. Let us solve one more question. How many even numbers are there between 20 and 50? First, we will write all the numbers between 20 and 50. That is 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36,
37, 38 and 39.
But we need to find the even numbers, and in even numbers the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Now find out the numbers whose last digit is either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So pause the video and encircle the even numbers. And check, the answer is even numbers between 20 and 50 is equal to 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36 and 38. I hope you all understand even numbers and odd numbers. So students, learn the definition of even number and odd numbers. If you learn the definition, you will easily solve the worksheet. Thank you. Have a beautiful day.